Sit with me for a minute. Not as a viewer, as a human being who has been hurt. Cheating is not just an action, it's a quiet destruction. People think cheating hurts because someone chose another person, but that's not the real pain. The real pain is this. Someone looked into your eyes, held your hand, said, "I care," and still chose to lie. Cheating doesn't break the relationship first, it breaks your sense of reality. After cheating, you don't just lose trust in them, you lose trust in your own judgment. You start asking yourself questions that slowly eat you alive. How did I not see this? Was I blind? Was everything fake? Psychology explains why this hurts so deeply. The human brain depends on emotional consistency. When someone cheats, they live two lives. And when those two lives collide, your brain experiences shock. That's why you feel dizzy. That's why your chest feels tight. That's why even normal days feel heavy. Your mind is trying to rewrite the past in real time. And here's something important that people don't talk about. Cheating creates trauma not because of sex, but because of deception. The brain handles pain better than lies. Pain is honest. Lies are confusing. That confusion keeps your nervous system active, always alert, always questioning. That's why after cheating, you overthink everything. You check patterns. You doubt kindness. You feel emotionally tired. Not because you're weak, because your brain learned danger from someone it trusted. Let me tell you a hard truth, gently. Cheating is rarely about you. People cheat because they avoid accountability. They want validation without responsibility. They escape emptiness instead of fixing it. A fulfilled, self-aware person does not need betrayal to feel alive. But cheating leaves scars on the person who stayed honest. After cheating, love doesn't feel soft anymore. It feels risky. You want reassurance, but you feel ashamed for needing it. You want answers, but no answer feels complete. That's why people stay silent after cheating. They're not healed, they're exhausted. There is a line from a movie that fits perfectly here. Some people hurt you and act like you hurt them. Cheaters often move on faster, not because they healed, but because they never face the damage they caused. You, on the other hand, sit with the truth, and truth is heavy. But listen carefully now, this part matters. Cheating did not reduce your value, it exposed their character. Your loyalty was not wasted, it proved who you are. You don't heal by understanding why they cheated. You heal by understanding what you deserve. And what you deserve is honesty, emotional safety, peace without suspicion. Healing after cheating is slow because trust lives deep in the brain. But healing does happen. One day, your mind will stop replaying, your chest will feel lighter, your smile will come back without effort, and you will love again, not blindly, but with clarity. Cheating didn't break you, it woke you up. If this felt personal, you are not weak, you are healing. And this channel exists for people who loved deeply and paid the price, but refused to become bitter. Stay.